Man, we got like a Call of Duty like care package here that we got going on, man. Today it's gonna be a little different. I ain't gonna lie, it's gonna be a little different. But we got a lot of boxes to show you guys, man. Cause there's a crazy deal going on. If you guys don't know, well, it ain't going on yet. It be going on July the 11th through the 12th. You don't want to miss out, man. But anyway, let's run this intro and hop straight into it. What's good? What's going on, man? It's your boy B. We back in this mode with another video, man. Today we're gonna be doing like a whole. It's not necessarily like an unboxing. I'm gonna be showing you guys all the products I got from the Amazon, man, which is on sale right now. But the sale probably gonna be even crazier, especially July the 11th through the 12th, because y'all know it's that Amazon Prime Day, man. So, but anyways, man. First up. I already unboxed most of these already, so I'm just gonna be showing you guys the product. We will be doing a more in-depth review on showing no addresses. I don't want to have to hurt nobody. But anyway, I will be doing a more in-depth review on some of the other products I do got that I think that you guys will be interested in seeing. But first up, we got the PS5 Standard Edition controller here. Now I have had the pro version of the PS5 controller, and I highly recommend it, especially for those who are into like that super advanced game. Like if you're more so like in the first person shooters and stuff like that, I highly recommend that you get that PS5 Pro controller. But anyways, man, I think it's called the DualSense Edge. But we got the Standard Edition PS5 controller, man. We will be doing some more videos on the PlayStation, so that's why I got an extra controller. So y'all make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, subscribe, click the bell icon to your notifications, also you don't miss those bangers, man. Next up, we got in this box the SteelSeries headset here. Now this is the wired version here. I got a whole bunch of headsets, man, because if you guys are like me, man, like I have trouble finding the perfect headset, whether I'm gaming or listening to music and stuff like that. But most of this stuff is more so related to gaming, and I done had a whole bunch of gaming headphones, checked them out. I don't really like these, but anyways, if you guys want to see a more in-depth review on these headphones individually, let me know down below in the comments. But here we got the black edition of the SteelSeries. Like I said, man, most of these headphones are ranged between $150 to $50, and some of them a little lower, man. So we got a whole bunch of videos coming. But SteelSeries Arctis Nova 1P for the PlayStation, man. We're gonna check them out. I'm gonna let you guys know if you should cop or not. Up next, we got this is for the PS5 here. Hey, hold on. Let's see. So this is the PS5 faceplate, which I'm curious to see how the PlayStation 5 gonna look in it, man. This is like the all black one, cop from Amazon. So it got a different unique design too. You can't get the official ones from Amazon, so the official ones are only sold via PlayStation Direct. So you guys, if you want to cop the official face plates, you're gonna have to go through PlayStation Direct to get those. But Amazon got some customized ones as well that fits your PlayStation 5, man, for the digital and on disc version as well. And we got an even bigger box here, man. Hold on, we got the big box here. I gotta stand up for this one. All right, so first up in this box, we got the PlayStation icon light here. I thought it was dope. I was like, look, I gotta cop this right here, man. Like, this is gonna be crazy for like a disc setup, which we will be doing soon as well. So make sure you stay tuned for that. But yeah, the icons light, dope, will look crazy on a setup, man, with your PlayStation 5. Next up, we got in this box, we have a 5-in-1 USB slot, some extra USB slots for your PlayStation 5 here, and it also has a USB Type-C connection as well on this, man. So pretty dope, especially for those who have a lot of stuff plugged up. You're trying to charge a controller, you're trying to charge your headset, you want to hook up your phone to charge that. Look, bam, we got you right here. I'm gonna let you know how all this stuff works out as well. So if you guys want to see a more in-depth review, like I said, man, stay tuned, and I got you guys. Next up, we do have the PS5. We might have to lower this right here. We have the PS5 remote controller here. So me personally, I never really owned a PlayStation or a gaming like remote control. I never really had the experience to even mess around with these. So I'm curious to see how this is gonna work and how can I use it with my PlayStation 5, man. So that's right there. I'm gonna put that to the side. And then we got the SSD here, which I recommend a lot of people purchase one of these, especially if you a gamer. Now, if you just a gamer, you don't really need these because you're probably not going to be playing the game as much or have a whole bunch of different titles you would like to play. But the 980 Pro Samsung SSD, man, is going to do the job. This is the 1 terabyte here. I think it goes all the way up to like a 4 TB if I'm not mistaken, but the price does vary. This right here is pretty cheap. I think it was around about $60, somewhere around there. It might be even cheaper on the Amazon Prime Day, man, but I highly recommend those gamers get the SSD, man, so you can store your extra games on that, just in case you run out of storage, because they be like, oh, the PlayStation 5 come with the 1 TB, or 800 gigabytes, and by the time you install all the software, you're left with about 600 gigabytes, and you got the games, which now, you know what I mean, about 200 gigs. Call of Duty be killing the hard drive. But anyways, next up, we got the SteelSeries Arctic Ones, I believe, or these the Arctic Ones wireless right here. I believe this is the only wireless headset. No, I got another wireless headset. This is the second wireless headset I got in my collection right here, though, on the Amazon Dropbox care package. But the Arctic, I'm curious to see how these sound. I always wanted a pair of these, but I was always hesitant to get them. So I'm curious to see how these sound. These are compatible with your PlayStation, your Switch, your PC, your Android. So yeah, man, I can't wait to check these out, man. So SteelSeries Arctic One right there. Next up, we got another pair of headphones. Like I said, man, I got a whole bunch of headphones. And I got a lot of them. I'm like a headphone fanatic, man, over here. But next up, we got the Corsair's Black Shark plus USB sound card. First time ever gonna get a chance to listen to these, man. If you guys want a more in-depth video about these particular headphoons, this right here is like a limited edition version as well. Like this neon color here is tough. Very tough to me. You guys get in the comments, let me know what you think about the actual colorway of these. We probably do an in-depth video about this if you guys want to see it, man. Just let me know in the comments, man. Next up, we have, I think that was it in that box. We got another care package. Hold on. Next up, we got the SteelSeries Arctis Nova 1P here. This is the white version right here. So I got the black version and the white version as well. Here go the black version here. Boom. We're gonna check both of them out. Now, one of them is cheaper than the other one. I believe the white version is around like $40, $50, while this one right here is a little bit more expensive. So right now in the market, if you're trying to save some money, I would get the white edition. But if you don't really care too much about the price, then I would get this. Only if they sound good. We're gonna do a test later on this week, so I'll let you guys know if it's really worth the price or not. Next up, we got I believe this is the cheapest of them all, the Airlight headphones right here. It was made by PlayStation. No, it's not made. It's made by PDP. Made by PDP, licensed by PlayStation themselves, man. So yeah, this is on the cheaper end of the headphones. You got the cables, you got the cord, you got the mic to go along with it, which 9 times out of 10 probably is not detachable. But I'm curious to see how these sound. These headphones low-key kind of remind me of like some headphones that you probably use if you was like in like a little office setting or something like that. So it's not gonna win any awards in the aesthetics look, but it is very cheap, and we're gonna see how well it sounds with the price. Cause if you're on like a super tight budget and don't want to use those little earbud thingies, hey, this right here might do the job for you. Next up, we got the HyperX. I love HyperX headphones. Not even gonna lie, especially for gaming. I do love HyperX headphones. I think I had a pair of the wireless version of these, and I believe it's another pair as well that I had. And you also get you can buy the custom ear cushions. Like, you know, you can customize these ones, man. I rock with HyperX. But anyways, we got the HyperX Cloud Stinger here, man. This is another pair of wired headphones right here. Now, like I said, they do got wireless versions as well, but it is going to range in price. I'm not 100% sure if this cable is detachable, but if you guys want a more in-depth video, we can find out together, man. Next up, we have some of the Corsair. Yeah, now Corsair, Man, I have a pair of Corsair headphones. I had a pair because I think they was like the Voids. But I didn't like the swivel on them because they didn't really fit as snug on my head as I would like. I don't want nothing to crush in my skull, but I do like my headphones to fit like a little snug because I get real active, especially when I'm gaming sometimes on that Call of Duty. You know what I'm saying? A little bit of 2K. But yeah, the Corsairs, the ones I had, it was too swivelly for me. But anyways, man, right here we got the HS55. Let's say surround. So surround right here, or surround, my mistake. Stereo gaming headset with the 7.1 surround sound, and it does come with like a USB cable as well. Now this will be 9 times out of 10 compatible with your PlayStation and your PC. I'm not sure if this is going to be compatible with the Xbox. I have no idea. I don't really see anything on the side as well. So yeah, so let's say PC, Mac, PlayStation 5, and Switch right there. I don't know if you guys can read that. I don't know if it's going to pick it up on the camera, but that's what it says right there on the box. I'm interested in checking these out. I believe I also had a pair of the Corsairs. I want to say, which one? The HS70s or the HS... No, I think it's the HS80s. It was the HS80s. HS80s. I like those. I highly recommend the HS80s. If you guys, Corsair guys, or you know what I'm saying, you Corsair only fans, HS80s, mwah, love them. I love them. I love them. All right, so next up we got the cheapest of them all, besides the PDPs. Come on, man, Logitech. We got Logitech here. Now, you might not really like this colorway. This is kind of like a more of a feminine colorway, but if you don't really care about that and you like me and like, you know what I'm saying, you like your headphones to pop while you on stream or maybe gaming or something like that, you recording videos, you're a content creator, these is dope right here. Now, these headphones were on sale for $30. It might be even cheaper on their Prime Day, July the 11th through the 12th. But anyways, we got the G435 Logitech headphones here. They are wireless. This is the second pair of wireless headphones in the Amazon care package we have today. And then so it says Bluetooth as well. So it's wireless and Bluetooth, or is it just Bluetooth? Not 100% sure, but I will be doing a more in-depth video on these headphones because $35 for a wireless pair of headphones, gaming headphones at that. I don't know if I can pass up on that unless the sound is, you know what I'm saying, trash. But we're gonna find out, man. We definitely gonna find out. Logitech G435, man. All right, next up, we have the PS5 charging dock. Now, I tried to get the other charging dock, the legitimate charging dock that's like licensed by PlayStation themselves, the actual PlayStation one, but it wasn't gonna be every time. I was like, look, I ain't got time to wait. I'm kind of impatient sometimes, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes I get kind of impatient. I ain't even gonna lie to you. But anyways, man, we got the P5, the charging dock for the PlayStation 5 here, man. And I like this one. Only reason I got this is because it was cool and unique, and I haven't seen anything like this. It doesn't lay down flat like the traditional PlayStation 5 charging dock for your controllers. It lays up in like kind of like your controllers are floating, which I do like. One thing I probably say I won't like so much is that the fact that they got the USB Type-C port. I don't know if you guys can see that, but let me turn it on to the back. The USB Type-C connector in the back is sticking out, so you have to line it up. Yeah, you know what I'm saying, you might scratch your controller in the back. That's the only thing I really don't like about this, but I'm interested in seeing how it will look in the setup, man. I'm interested. I know it's gonna glow up blue. I think it's gonna be a dope aesthetic look for the PlayStation 5 setup. Coming soon. All right, next up, we got some more HyperX headphones. Now, these right here, I'm not even gonna lie to you. I love these. The comfortability on these are amazing. Now, I was using these when I was playing on the PS4 a while back. Man, these things sound amazing. And the volume, it doesn't get too super loud, but it's loud enough. That was my only like nitpick about these. They didn't get super loud, but man, you can definitely hear everything. The footsteps was clear in Call of Duty. Hear people walking up on me. I can pinpoint where they're coming from. That's one thing I can say about these compared to, I believe I had the Turtle Beaches. The Turtle Beaches are great headphones as well, but these right here, it's not as loud as Turtle Beach, and you can pinpoint things a lot better to me. But HyperX, the Cloud 2 You know what I'm saying? These are the wired pair right here. It's going to be compatible with your PlayStation and your PC. So if you guys are interested in any of these headphones that I'm showcasing, man, if you guys want me to do like a more in-depth video on these, just let me know down below in the comments and I got y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing to it but to do it, baby. Last but not least are the headphones. We got some more Logitech here. These are the Logitech G432s, not the 35s, the 32s. Now, these headphones been around for a while. I've been seeing a lot of streamers with these headphones on, and I was like, yo, I gotta check these out, man. So these are wired headphones right here, Logitech G432, all black. Logitech got a little cool little colorway with that little blue trail, man. I kind of like that. I'm not even gonna lie to you, but I'm interested in seeing how these will sound. I'm not a huge fan of wired headphones. I don't really like being attached to my desk as much. But if the headphones are worth it, I don't mind being attached to the desk. You know what I'm saying? I don't mind being attached. But we got the Logitech headphones here. If you want a more in-depth video or review about these, let me know in the comments, man. We got another package here, but it's in the kitchen. I gotta go get it real quick, so excuse me. I'll be right back. There you go. All right. Make sure I don't show nothing crazy. I don't want to show nothing crazy. Next up, we got something beastie right here, man. This is super exciting. This is going to be a game changer. This is definitely going to be a game changer here. I might need to move some of this stuff on these desks, man. Let me move some of this stuff real quick. Wow, so much stuff, bro. Bear with me. This is live. It uncut 9 times out of 10. Raw. It uncut, man. The Be Twice specialty, the care package, you know. Alright. So here we have the Predator monitor, man. We got the Predator XB28 3K 28-inch gaming monitor, man. Super stoked, super excited, man. I never, ever in my life ever got a chance to experience or even own a gaming monitor, man. So this gaming monitor right here supposedly does the UHD 4K, man. So, and 2K as well. So and it got the FreeSync, AMD, 1 millisecond. It got all the crazy specs and 144 frames per second, the hertz right there, man. So I'm super curious to see how gaming gonna be on this, man, especially when that PS5 coming in. PS5 coming in tomorrow, man. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for the PS5 setup, because this is definitely gonna be an added addition, one of the big additions to the setup, man. I'm so super stoked and excited to share my experience with y'all, man. First time ever gaming in 2K, 4K, etc. Right? So I'm just curious to seeing how everything is gonna work out and play out to be, man. But here you guys go, man. The Predator XB28 3K 28-inch gaming monitor. Now, me personally, I would not go over 28 inches on a monitor. Anything over 28 inches is starting to get overwhelming, especially if you're sitting at the desk trying to play the game. So I prefer the 28-inch, 27-inch monitors. That's just me personally. I do own like a 32-inch TV, and gaming on that is kind of like overwhelming depending on how far you're sitting from it. So that 27, 28-inch is definitely the sweet spot when it comes to gaming to me. But like I said, man, if y'all want to see more in-depth videos about the monitors, any type of headsets y'all seen in this this unboxing, like it's not really unboxing, but it was like the care package. I'm just showing you guys what's going on. But let me know down below, man, the monitors. Well, if y'all want a more in-depth video about the monitor, let me know down below. Like I said, man, we will be doing like a PS5 gaming setup, ultimate gaming setup, man. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that. Hit that like button. Subscribe, click the bell icon, turn your notifications on, all you don't miss no bangers, man. And speaking of bangers, be sure to check out one of the videos at the end of the screen, because it's definitely a banger. I would miss it if I was you, man. Alright, man, we gotta pack this stuff up. We gotta get a lot of videos out the way. There's a lot of videos we gotta do, man. So stay tuned.